Heartiest congratulations to Mohit for his splendid performance in IC 2020. Now, as his class teacher, I personally believe that this achievement of Mohit is nothing but a reward for his sincerity, his perseverance, and hard work. Yes, Mohit is truly an enthusiastic learner and very quick to grasp the concepts. His inquisitiveness, his eagerness, tenacity to know the basic concept of the subject, to understand the basic concept of the subject, is something commendable and has always impressed all his teachers. He has not only an analytical bent of mind, but is very articulate as well. And this is a very important quality which has always kept Mohit ahead of others. Side by side, he is a very well behaved boy. His sense of responsibility, his humbleness has made him very, very popular amongst his teachers and peers alike. Now, let me disclose another quality of Mohit. Though he maintained a consistently good academic performance, but he was not a typical bookworm. He took active and spontaneous part in different school events. Yes, and these extracurriculars surely has helped a lot in shaping up his personality. Now, on behalf of all his teachers, I'd like to wish Mohit all the success for all his future endeavors. Hope he keeps shining bright in the path of academic brilliance and uphold the tradition of Adamus International School. Thank you.